Hi guys, hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and a warm welcome to you if it's your first time here. Now we'll be making this dish right here. It's made of rice, spaghetti, chicken and vegetables and a tasty flavorful sauce. It's called Singaporean rice. You guys are gonna love this, so let's get straight into it. So guys, let me take you through the ingredients. So I've got here 400 grams of cube chicken and I've cut that into small pieces, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I've chopped up half a red pepper, green pepper and yellow pepper, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, some water. I've got 1 small carrot and I've cut that into small pieces, spring onion, 1 medium onion chopped into small pieces, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, about half a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, 200 grams of boiled spaghetti, about 1.5 to 2 cups of boiled rice. Now I have a recipe for this, so I will link that up for you guys to check out. The ingredients for the sauce: 3 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is we're going to add some oil and preheat that for a little while. Keep the gas on medium heat. And then we're going to add in our chopped onions. So now we're just going to fry the onions till they're light, keep them light and they're soft. Okay, so now we are ready to add in the chicken. Now, we're going to cook the chicken till we just have a little moisture left. And at this point, what you can also do is add in the ginger and garlic paste as well. So we can cook some of the rawness out of it. So I'm just going to cover this. I'm going to come back and check on it. So I'm just going to cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes on low heat, and then we'll come and check on this. Okay guys, so now we're just going to check on our chicken and see what's happening. So we've just got a little bit of moisture in there. So what we can do now is add in these ingredients. So I'm going to add in the soy sauce, lemon juice, flake chilies, coriander and cumin powder, and also you can add, if you want to add more kick to it, you can add chili powder or you can add fresh chilies as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of red chili powder to it, and we're also going to be adding some salt. Now you can add the salt depending on your taste. It's always best to add less, so if you need to add more you can always adjust it. And then what we're going to do is add in the black pepper, carrots, and the peppers. Now I'm just going to cook this for about 2-3 minutes. So just give it a stir. It's starting to look nice and colourful as well. Now at this point you can always taste it as well. If you want to add a bit more chili or salt, you can do. So let's just cover this for about 2-3 minutes and I'll come and check on this. Now while this is happening, I'm going to quickly show you how to make the sauce. It's so easy to make. So what we're going to be doing is making the sauce now, and we'll be using this to put on top of our when we layer. So in the mayonnaise we're going to be adding the tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, some salt, the garlic paste, and the red chili powder, and that's all it is, guys. Just few of these, just few ingredients. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this, and I'm just going to leave it aside so it'll be ready when we need it. So that's been cooking for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to be adding in the last ingredient, which is the corn flour. So all I'm going to do is just take our corn flour and add a little bit of water to this. Just give it a mix. You can add a bit more if you want to. And then we're just going to add this in. So that will slightly, now what will happen is with the corn flour, the mixture will start to thicken slightly. And we're just going to cook this for about a minute, and then we're just going to switch that off, and then I'll show you the next step. I'm just going to show you now how to layer this dish. Now this is a dish that can be made in advance as well. Now what we do next is we can pour over some mayonnaise just over the rice, so it just gives the rice some flavor as well. And just gently just go over it. Now it's up to you. You can add more sauce as well, so the more sauce you want, you can add more. And then we're just going to take the spaghetti, and then we're going to put the spaghetti over that. And then we're going to take the chicken and just spread it all over the spaghetti. Now this is a really delicious dish. It's also quite filling as well. And then what you can do is you can also heat it up in the oven as well. And then take some more sauce, and then you can just spread it around the edges and just on top, like this. And this is quite a popular recipe in my home. My family really enjoys this. I make about 2 dishes, and then we're just going to sprinkle over the fresh coriander leaves and the chopped spring onions. So there you go, guys. I know there's a few ingredients in there. So try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture. If you've made this before, I would love to hear what you did different. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.